Namaste dear soul, welcome to day number 30th of April Yoga Challenge 2020. So step by step, now we are on this final day of April Yoga Challenge 2020 and I'm so proud of you. You have made it so far. This is incredible. Every day 5 minutes of this small practice build a routine into you, and I'm sure you have experienced many dimensions of yoga with breath work, with asanas, by moving the body in certain way, by holding the body, and so on and so forth. I would like to know what are your experiences in the comment section. So today's yoga asana is very special. It's called Ubhaya Padangusthasana. So this is the variation of the previous day from halasana. In that, so when we go in the plow pose, we are having the hands opposite side. In Ubhaya Padangusthasana, we bring the hands back and holding the toes, and then we are coming back and holding a boat pose with that. So it's hard to explain, but it's easy when I show you. So I show you first how to do it. We do it one round of it, so that will be enough for today of 5 minutes April Yoga Challenge 2020, the final 30th day. So let's start it. Okay, to start with, we'll lay down on the mat, making sure you have a space behind you. Just rolling back, deep inhalation, and gently bring the legs as back as possible, straight in the plow pose. And here, holding the toes. If you're not able to hold on your toes, have the hands as out as possible. If your toes are not able to reach on the floor, just hold them as they are and try to reach to your ankle or at your calf muscle or at your toes. And staying here for the count of 5, 4, and 5. From here, deep inhalation and gently rising up and getting up here and staying in Ubhaya Padangusthasana. Slowly making this boat shape, holding on your toes. If you can also hold at your calf muscle and holding on the posture. Deep breathing for the count of 5, 4, 5. So this is one of my most favorite asana, and I kept it for the last day because I know by the time we are on the last day, we have built up that stamina and that awareness and control with the breath, so we are well able to do this asana. So let's get it started. 5 minutes. We'll lay down, inhaling deep, and gently bring the legs back. Exhale as you bring the toe down, and slowly grab at your toes. And now staying here with knees straight, deep breathing for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3. Deep breathing, eyes are gazing at your navel. 4, 5. Inhale deep, have a full breath, hold this breath, slowly rock forward, and gently from here, bring the legs up. Slowly bring the head as back as possible, holding on the posture, eyes looking the center of the eyebrows. If you're not able to stay stable here, bend your knee a little bit. So having the balance and keeping spine straight, and deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, full breath in, slowly bring the toes down, exhale, release, and slowly lay down on your mat for a few moments. Congratulations. Laying down, eyes closed, and gentle breathing. Very good. Now slowly you get up and sit down with the crossed leg. Index finger and thumb are together in Gyan Mudra, straight spine. So we end with the Shanti mantra. You close your eyes and just observe your breath and you listen to the mantra. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकः समस्तः सुखिनो भवन्तु। शांति शांति शांति। Slowly open your eyes. So that was the final day of April Yoga Challenge 2020. I'm so grateful from the depth of my heart. I'm in gratitude to you for being here with me for this entire 30-day, every day, one yoga challenge or one breath work that you have done. You must be really, really proud of yourself. You have done great, and I'm so much happy and proud of you. Great. So today is also my birthday, and I am celebrating it with you, having this asana and the Shanti mantra, what we have done. If you like today's yoga asana, hit the like button. That's really encouraging to me. And I also invite you, if you haven't yet, subscribe to Manoyogi YouTube channel so you will be notified for my upcoming challenges and much more. So I planned out many things that I want to share with you. I want to talk to you. I want to connect to you through this YouTube channel. So I thank you so much, and I love you so much, and I will be back again soon with a new challenge to really amplify your health and your experience. Thank you so much, and I wish you a wonderful time. All the very best. Loads of health, loads of joy, loads of blessing in your way. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.